Okay guys and girls, I'm going to shoot a quick video of this 1971 Mustang Convertible. And no, it is not a Mach 1. We all know that. Or I should say, car guys know that. Anyways, they did put a functioning ram air hood and correct air cleaner on it, which is very cool. This is a high option car. It is a 351 Cleveland 2-barrel. But it is an air-conditioned car. The air conditioner turns on and blows, but it is not blowing cold. So it needs to be addressed, but it is not locked up. It does turn on. It does have power windows. The power windows work. It does have front disc brakes, power steering, power brakes. Has new front ball joints, new suspension parts, new sway bar bushings. All the gauges work. The car drives good. It's been sitting for a year, so maybe a little longer. It is a very cool car. 1971 Mustang Convertible. It's windy, so I'm gonna have to be kind of careful today with putting the hood up on this thing. It is very windy today. So I'm gonna kind of hold the hood while I do it, and I'm gonna make it quick because I don't want to have any issues. There you go. Kind of cool. Like I said, it's got the correct fasteners on it. Anyways, just a neat car. Like I said, I drove it home. It runs good. The interior is very nice. See the bottom edges of the doors. Back seat. For those of you who know about the rim blow steering wheel, kind of cool. Steering wheel works, or the horn. Like I said, the tach, the gas gauge, all the gauges work. The radio works. The clock does not work, and I did not test the cigarette lighter. The speedometer works. You can see the condition of the dash, the visors. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off. The power top works, so I can show you the trunk. I don't have much time left. There's been a handful of spots touched up on the paint. There's one right here on the corner of the deck lid. There's a couple others like that. I just did a rinse wash on this thing. I did not fully detail it. You know, but just a super cool car that is gonna make somebody a very, very fun cruiser. Like I said, just a very neat, unique car. So there you go, 1971 Mustang Convertible. There'll be a price in the still ad.